Body's Harmony. I'm so excited. I am a new brand rep for Body's Harmony, and you guys know I don't brand rep anybody. I only do unique commodities, and this is my second one. And I've been in this game a long time, so it means something when I actually decide I want to rep a company. And so Body's Harmony is my number 2 brand rep position. So I just started and I ordered some stuff so I could show you guys. Look at this pretty card. I love her logo. It's one of my all-time favorites from any bath company. All right, so I bought all wax because she sold out really quickly of every bath bomb that I wanted. So, but you guys know I'm a wax lover anyway. So this is excellent. It tells you information on how to use your wax, when to what's the waiting time before you should use them, and then on each wax, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. On each wax, she gives you a pour date. Very important, people who are making wax melts. Please put a pour date on your stuff. It's not just a nice to have, but if I get a wax melt and it has no pour date on it, and I use it that day, and then the scent isn't that strong, I'll assume that it's because the bath company or the wax company doesn't know how to make waxes, when maybe all it needed was some cure time. But if we don't have the pour date, we don't know, and then we might use it too soon, and then you'll never get our business again because we'll just assume it wasn't good wax. So that's just a little tip there if you're watching any wax makers. All right, so let's take a look at it here. Look at this. I knew the moment I saw this, I wanted it, but I had no idea it was this big. Palo and sugar. Palo Santo, pink sugar, and blue sugar. This is going to, oh gosh, I'm going to have to open these up and show you because I know it's going to smell really good. We got Karma, which is a Lush dupe. Oh, look how pretty it is on top. I'm glad that she has these clear covers so that I don't have to open things up to show you. And here's another Palo and Sugar. Did I buy 2? Did I buy 2? I did. That's how much I knew that I wanted this one, is that I got 2 because I just thought they were beautiful. I mean, the scent profile sounds amazing. These things are huge. I had no idea they were going to be this big. I wish I could tell you the pricing on them because they're so good for price for the money. So well priced for the money. All right, this next one is Jungle, and it's a Lush dupe. Pretty. I'm going to have to open it. Let me open this one up. Oh, yes, this smells so fresh. Like, that's exactly, it's just, that's the explanation I have for it. It smells very, very fresh. Honey, I washed the kids. I know what that smells like. I love the scent of that, but I'm going to open it anyway. Yes, yes, yes. I had a bath bomb that, hair shampoo bar that smelled like this. And when it was gone, I was a sad little somebody. This next one is Bathos. And I just didn't know what it was. So I've never heard of this. So I'm going to, I don't know why. There is a Lush right up the street. Okay. It smells sort of like, lavender. Is it lavender? Violet? I can't even put my finger on it, but it's a very familiar scent that all of you guys would know. It's a floral scent that I smell. That's the profile I'm picking up. You guys may pick up something different. Next, we have Avobath. Who doesn't love Avobath? I love Avobath. Oh my gosh. Literally, other than Rose Jam, my favorite Lush scent, Avobath. It's just like those two are just, I'm going to have to use this on. When was it poured? I got to make sure. Pour date was 2/18. I might be able to use that jar now. Now, look at this next one. It's humongous. It's called Bam Bam. Fruity Pebbles, Marshmallow Fluff Cake, and Batter Ice Cream. I usually don't do much of like these sort of like food scents, but this just sounded really delish smelling. It's not actually a bakery scent. It has more than, it has Fruity Pebbles and ice cream, so it's kind of different than just the plain old cake batter because there's other things in there. Sheesh. This next one is Celestial. My mother's favorite scent was gardenia. This is white gardenia, bergamot, green, apple float, Perry Violet, Wildflowers, and Salty Sierra. I have no idea what this is going to smell like, but just so you know, it was just so pretty that I had to have it. And I'm going to really hate to chop it, but it's kind of huge for my melters. It'll fit in one of them, but I don't want to just use it one day. Then Fresh Berries. Why? Because who doesn't love berries? Oh my gosh. All right, finally we have some samples here. I don't know what that pink one is. Oh, cookie cutters. Sugar cookies, royal pink sugar, and Peeps. Oh, that's going to smell like straight sugar from the cane. And then why didn't you call me? Or write me. Why didn't you write me? And that's Vanilla Bean. Ooh, I'll have to pull this out and let you know. I'm so glad I pulled it out because it smells freaking awesome. This was just freshly poured, so I'm going to have to wait on this one it was just poured on the 2nd. And I like to give it 3 weeks myself. Sorry, I have paint all underneath my nails. I just taught an art class. Why don't you write me? And I actually saw the big Why Don't You Write Me? But I think she was sold out. Was she? I don't know, but I think she was sold out, and that's why I didn't get it, because the big ones are beautiful. So this is Vanilla Bean Noel Cashmere Glow, and it smells like freaking frosting in a can. And then this other one, you can see clearly what it looks like and what the name is, so I won't take it out. All right, so what did we have again? We had Fresh Berries. Beautiful. Let me open that one up. It smells like all kinds of amazing berry, and then I broke the package. I'm so mad. I'll find a way to seal it back up, or I'll put it in another bag, or triple bag it with old wax melt bags. This smells delish. This one smells very feminine and soft, and I love it. We talked about the Avo Bath. We talked about the Bathos. We talked about the Honey I Washed the Kids. We talked about these samples. I literally just dropped the whole wax melt out of its container. Jungle, we talked about that and what I feel about the scent on that one. Oops, try to close back up. And let's talk about these final two. I'm going to open them up. Oh my God, this smells so good. It smells so good. I literally would rather grab a spoon than put it in my melter. Oh my gosh, someone's going to think I'm actually making delicious something up in here. This thing smells amazing. And then finally had the two huge Palo and Sugar. And it smells very sweet, just like I thought. Super sweet, and I love the scent of this one as well. So there's not one of them in here, not one that I'm thinking to myself, well, you know, I kind of like it, I'm not really sure. I actually love all of these, like every single one. The scents are on point. The pricing is on point. And her instructions are on point. Her pour dates are on point. There's nothing about that that's not on point. Oh, I forgot this one, last one. The Karma. It smells just like the Karma bath bomb. I think it's the Bubble Bar that I use. And I had a soap, Karma soap as well. It smells just like that. So if you've used Lush products, you're familiar with all of these scents. All right, guys, that's it from Body's Harmony, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.